In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate hours worked in Google Sheets. We'll start by setting up the sheet so it's easy to read and maintain. In column A, enter your time in for each shift, and in column B, enter your timeout. You can type these using AM and PM, like 9 o'clock AM and 5:30 PM, or use 24-hour time, like 21 o'clock for 9 PM. The key is to be consistent. If a time looks left aligned or shows as plain text, retype it so Google Sheets recognizes it as a time. Next, let's calculate the hours worked. Click into cell C2, which will hold the result for the first row. Enter the formula X B2 A2 24, then press enter. Here's what's happening. Google Sheets stores times as fractions of a day. Subtracting time in from time out gives you the duration in days, and multiplying by 24 converts that duration into hours as a decimal. If your calculation shows something like 8:30 AM instead of a number, don't worry, that's just formatting, and we'll fix it in a moment. If you only work shifts that start and end on the same day, that formula is enough. But if a shift crosses midnight, say 10 o'clock PM to 6 o'clock AM, you'll need to handle that wraparound. To make it work reliably for any shift, update the formula in C2 to use MOD, MODB2, A2, 1. 24. MOD keeps the result positive by wrapping the time difference within a single day, so even when the end time is technically earlier than the start time on the clock, you still get the correct number of hours. Now let's make the results display properly. Highlight the entire results column, starting with C2 and down as far as you need, then go to the Format menu, choose Number, and select Number. This switches the display from a time format to a numeric format, so you'll see something like 8:50 instead of a time of day. If you want more or fewer decimal places, use the increase or decrease decimal buttons on the toolbar. 2 decimals is a common choice because 8:50 clearly means 8.5 hours. Finally, copy the formula down the column to apply it to all your rows. As a tip, make sure columns A and B are formatted as time to avoid errors, and keep your entries consistent. That's it. You now have a clean, dependable way to calculate hours worked in Google Sheets.